Hi, and welcome back to Farming Nature's Way. Today I'm going to be making a barbecue sauce where we have a pork shoulder on the smoker, and we're going to be using the sauce in order to make pulled pork. But this sauce is delicious in so many other things. We also use it whenever we do chicken. It could be used in beef brisket and definitely in pork, ribs, anything. So I'm going to be doing 3 times the recipe. So what you're going to find for the recipe in this video will be just for a single batch. But today I'm making 3 batches. I'll just put it in a jar and put it in the refrigerator and use it for later. So the one batch, I'll be giving you that recipe now, starts with a 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. And I'm going to go ahead and add that in here into the pot. This is my own tomato sauce, but it's just tomato sauce. And then a 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar will go in here. And then next will be apple cider vinegar, and that is a 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce or W sauce, whichever you want to call. And then I'm adding salt, 1/2 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And I'm using smoked salt in this recipe because we just like that flavor whenever we're smoking our meat, and we like that additional flavor in it. So that is 1.5 teaspoons. And then garlic. I would say at least a clove for every batch you're doing. I've added several cloves here, but again, I'm tripling my recipe. And then basically I just take and heat this up just so until things get melted, the sugar gets melted, and it's ready to be used. I just did chicken the other day in it, and all I did was stir it up and then threw it into the oven with the chicken. It was delicious. So if you like pulled pork and you like the sauce on it, try this recipe.